Good morning. Today is a Monday, and we got a really fall or Seattle weather finally here. I will be honest, I love this weather. Right now with the puppy is a little harder because he wants to be in the rain and he was digging some hole. So we will see. Like I said to my husband, we don't have any more an English cream gold retriever. We have an English black retriever. And I am on my way to home and we will see what happened there. Let's go. Come on. I'm editing my blog for Tuesday, and I've been thinking that I will be slowing down on vlogs. I know that not a lot of people watch that, and I kind of lost some subscribers, and I think I understand is people get tired to have somebody posting so much, but it was something that I mentioned that I wanted to do because I wanted to keep these memories. Mess here with the dog for everything. Are you inspecting if I am doing a good job? That's what you're doing? Are you the little inspector here? on. Well, I think I know the floor is kind of weird color. Are you tired after helping, huh? You help it so much to mommy, huh? You help it so much, poor baby. Oh, hey, don't tune it.
So I won't go to Costco till you.
My delicious beef stew leftovers with rice and a little of egg. I finished my dish, but he feels so happy licking that dish, huh? I know it's nothing, but oh, it has so many good flavors. I know that. You like this? Where is the stinky dog that has been digging outside? Huh?
Right there.
I see it. Let me see the paw. I wanted to take a picture like Frosty when I found him digging. 2 seconds and fell asleep. Look at that baby. Shower later. Okay, going to work. I have not used this machine in so long time, and now I just discovered that it's that. Well, still able to work out, so we will do it. Okay, I figured it out. Let's see how we do this. Need to put music in. Okay, for my first time after 5 years, I will stop at 15, and I will continue tomorrow again. I think all this week will be 15. Okay, 15:30. We got this. I need to take a shower now. Oh my god. I am in PJ, shower, and everything that I'm waiting for. I'm using, what it is, this. Trying to whiten my teeth, and as soon as the time out, brush and go to bed. So I will finish the video now. I don't know if I will stop here or continue tomorrow. We will see. Have a good night.